Hey gorgeous, so I'm getting a lot of questions about how to actually use the AI nervous system coach, and I totally get it. Some of you are like, is it safe? Can Christina see what I type? Is it weird to talk to AI? So let me show you exactly how it works and address all those concerns. So first, privacy. I cannot see your conversations ever. It's completely private between you and the AI. I literally have no access to what you're asking it or what it's telling you, so your secrets are safe. Second, it's not trying to replace therapy or a real human connection. Think of it like having a wise, supportive friend available 24/7 when your therapist isn't available or your bestie is asleep. Okay, now let me show you. I'm just going to have to go to the website, and here we are. As you can see on the bottom, it's feminine regulation, and you type that in, you put the password in, and then you just type like you're texting to a friend who happens to be a therapist. So you can type in something like, I'm having major anxiety about money right now. I don't know what to do. It could be around relationships. It could be around work. It could be around whatever is triggering you. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. Okay, so I'm going to type in here, I'm having major anxiety about money right now and I don't know what to do. And please excuse my typing. I know it's all over the place and there's typos. But this is what I mean. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're just sharing what's on your heart. And then it's going to respond back to you. Just taking a moment as it is responding. And look at that response. It's asking me what specifically is triggering the anxiety, explaining what's happening in my nervous system, and it's giving me a breathing technique to try right now. But here's the thing, you don't have to do the breathing technique if you don't want to. You can also bypass that. So watch this. So I'm going to type in here, actually skip the breathing stuff. I just need to know what to say to my partner about our financial stress. And then AI responds with a communication advice. And again, excuse my typos, but it will understand you. I like this also because it gives you personalized techniques as well. But let's see what it's going to say. So see, it immediately pivoted. You can ask for communication scripts, boundaries help, or just straight advice. It adapts to what you need. I personally enjoy and like that it gives you the somatic work to help with your nervous system, but yes, you can bypass that. You can literally ask anything. Why do I keep attracting the wrong guys? Help me not spiral when I check my bank account. I'm triggered by my mom. What do I do? Give me a script to ask for a raise, or tell me how to respond to this guy and set a boundary, whoever it is. It's like having a pocket therapist who never judges you. So now, is it perfect? No. Is it AI and not human? Yes. But it's trained to your nervous system, trauma-informed practices, and it has a warm, nurturing energy that honestly surprises me every time. I programmed this to integrate the techniques that I teach and that I personally use. And if you're in a crisis or having a serious mental health concerns, it will actually tell you to call 988 or to reach out to your therapist. Some of you are scared of AI, and I get that, but this isn't some cold robotic thing. Watch how it responds. It feels like talking to a wiser, older sister who went to school for therapy. So here's what makes it different than using from Google or ChatGPT. It's specifically designed for women's nervous system. It understands anxious attachment, people-pleasing, mother wounds, etc., all of it. And here's the cool part. The more you share, the more personalized it gets. You can say, I have an anxious attachment and daddy issues, and it will tailor everything to that. But you don't have to explain yourself. Like, you don't need to say, well, my parents are divorced when I was 7 and then my mom remarried. You can just say, I have trust issues with men, and it gets it. It's already understands the patterns. You just have to give it that piece that feels relevant to you right now. So again, you can type in, I'm people pleasing again and I'm exhausted, and watch how it responds. So there's no backstory needed. It knows what people pleasing does to your nervous system and gives you specific help. So if you're worried about that, privacy, it's completely private. Replacing therapy, it's supplemental support. Being judged, I literally cannot judge you, and nor can the AI. Not knowing what to ask, just start with I'm feeling or whatever's been triggering you. It being scary AI, try it once. It feels totally human. And again, it's not meant to place human connection. It's meant to be support. I'm launching it this Thursday. $10 gets you 10 days. You get access plus daily prompts sent to your email so you know exactly what to ask. Link is in my bio if you want early access. Trust me, if you're spiraling at 2 a.m. or can't fall asleep, your spiraling self will thank you. Okay, that's it. Any other questions, just drop them in the comments or DM me. Love you. Bye.